Have you ever wondered why some diesel trucks seem almost impossible to wear out? It's not uncommon to hear stories of diesel engines running for 500,000, a million, or even more kilometers with proper maintenance, while many gasoline engines need major repairs much sooner. From massive construction equipment and cargo ships to farm tractors and long-haul trucks, diesel engines have earned a legendary reputation for durability. But is it simply because they run at lower speeds? Or is there something fundamentally different about the way they're built? The answer lies in a combination of engineering, physics, and decades of refinement. Today we're exploring why diesel engines last so long and why they've become the trusted workhorses of industries around the world. Let's explore right here on History of Simple Things. The story of the diesel engine began in the 1890s, when German engineer Rudolf Diesel sought to create a more efficient alternative to the steam engine. At the time, gasoline engines were still in their infancy, and Diesel believed there was a better way to convert fuel into useful work. Instead of using spark plugs to ignite a fuel-air mixture, his engine relied on extremely high compression to heat the air inside the cylinder until diesel fuel injected into it ignited automatically. The first successful diesel engine was demonstrated in 1897 and achieved an efficiency that was remarkable for its time. Although early diesel engines were large, heavy, and noisy, they proved incredibly reliable for factories, ships, and industrial machinery. Over the next century, improvements in fuel injection, turbocharging, materials, and electronics made diesel engines more powerful and cleaner, while preserving the rugged characteristics that made them famous. One of the biggest reasons diesel engines last so long is that they're simply built stronger from the very beginning. A diesel engine must withstand compression ratios typically ranging from about 14:1 to over 22:1, far higher than the 8:1 to 12:1 found in most gasoline engines. That enormous pressure means every major component has to be exceptionally robust. The engine block is usually thicker and heavier. The crankshaft is larger and forged from stronger steel. Connecting rods are beefier, pistons are more heavily reinforced, and cylinder heads are designed to tolerate tremendous combustion forces day after day. These oversized components don't just survive the higher pressures. They also experience less stress relative to their strength during normal operation. Think of it as a bridge designed to carry 100 tons but only carrying 50 tons every day. Because everything operates well within its structural limits, wear accumulates much more slowly, allowing diesel engines to keep running reliably for decades. Another important factor is the way diesel engines produce power. Unlike gasoline engines that often need to rev to high speeds to generate maximum horsepower, diesel engines produce massive amounts of torque at relatively low revolutions per minute. Many heavy-duty diesel truck engines cruise comfortably between 1,200 and 1,800 revolutions per minute, while gasoline engines may routinely operate between 2,500 and 4,000 revolutions per minute under similar highway conditions. Lower engine speeds mean fewer combustion events, fewer piston movements, fewer valve cycles, and less friction over the same distance traveled. Imagine two runners covering the same marathon, but one takes long, powerful strides while the other takes many short, rapid steps. The runner taking fewer steps expends less repetitive effort. The same principle applies inside an engine. Every moving part experiences fewer cycles of stress, reducing fatigue and slowing the wear of bearings, piston rings, camshafts, and valve train components. Over hundreds of thousands of kilometers, that difference becomes enormous. Fuel itself also plays an unexpected role in engine longevity. Diesel fuel contains more energy per liter than gasoline and possesses natural lubricating properties that help reduce wear within the high-pressure fuel injection system. While modern ultra-low-sulfur diesel has slightly reduced lubricity compared to older diesel fuels, additives and fuel system designs compensate for this. More importantly, diesel combustion characteristics place different thermal demands on engine components. Diesel engines operate with leaner air-fuel mixtures for much of their operating range, meaning they often generate lower peak exhaust temperatures during everyday driving than comparable gasoline engines working hard. Lower operating speeds combined with efficient combustion reduce overall mechanical and thermal stress. Additionally, because diesel engines do not require spark plugs or high-voltage ignition systems, they eliminate several common maintenance items that gasoline engines need throughout their service life. Maintenance practices also contribute significantly to the diesel engine's reputation for longevity. Owners of diesel-powered trucks, tractors, generators, and commercial equipment typically follow strict maintenance schedules because these machines are expensive investments and often essential for business operations. Regular oil changes, timely fuel filter replacements, cooling system maintenance, and careful monitoring of operating conditions all help maximize engine life. Diesel engine oils are specially formulated with additives that suspend soot particles, neutralize acids, and protect heavily loaded components from wear. Many commercial diesel engines also feature large oil capacities, meaning contaminants become diluted over a greater volume of lubricant, extending protection between service intervals. Modern engine management systems further enhance longevity by precisely controlling fuel injection timing, turbocharger operation, and emission systems, ensuring the engine operates within safe limits under nearly all conditions. Their legendary lifespan isn't the result of a single magical feature, but rather the combination of heavy-duty construction, lower operating speeds, efficient combustion, robust engineering, and disciplined maintenance. That's why diesel engines continue to power the world's trucks, buses, ships, generators, farms, and industrial equipment long after many other engines have retired. Their reputation wasn't built through marketing. It was earned one reliable kilometer at a time. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.